Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and today we are going to talk about the kettlebell seated two-handed overhead press. This exercise is actually in the sit-up family of movements. We practice a bunch of core breakdowns of sit-ups to help people learn to fire their core in a bunch of different positions. This helps people learn to get up off of the ground better and faster. Getting up off of the ground is a key human skill and a key athletic skill. When people lose the ability to get up off of the ground quickly and easily, they essentially are in the aging process and going downhill. Maintaining your ability to get up off of the ground with weight is something that everybody should work on. Use your Turkish get up to get down to the ground. Step back with one leg, put your knee on the ground, find the ground with your hand, sit your hip through around the bell. Having your feet with your heels on the ground simulates the sit-up position, so that's the position we're going to be in. Thumbs point towards the sky, pick the kettlebell up, elbows towards hip. Once you pick up the kettlebell, your body will rock back about 45 degrees. Press all the way up, lock out both arms, bring the elbows back down to hip. Elbows start on hip, press to lock out, eyes on the bell, bring the elbows down to the hip. Press up, pull down, press up, pull down, press up, pull down. Your spine is staying generally flat the entire time, and you are moving the weight. Every time you move the weight, the demand on your core changes. Imagine lying back on an incline bench, but your core is the bench now instead of a bench supporting you. Your abs have to engage to do this exercise. Press to lock out, pull elbows to hip. When you set the bell down, rock forward, bell touches down, rock it away from you. Kettlebells are levers, short levers, from your hand to the top of the bell, about 7 or 8 inches. The heavier the kettlebell, the harder these exercises are. Turn your body into the bench and make your core fire by practicing all these breakdowns. People forget that sit-ups are part of get-ups. You don't need to just practice sit-ups, you need to break get-ups down into all of their component pieces, practice them separately, and then integrate those pieces back together so that you can get better at getting up off of the ground. If you lose the ability to get up off of the ground, you're kind of a low level of fail for humanity, so you should make sure you're practicing it in some way every day, with and without weight.